extremities which can be observed in Pakistan's susceptibility to flooding and conversely droughts. Distinguished guests, depletion of natural resources, water shortage and water insecurity are some of the risks because of rapid climate change trends. Pakistan is among the top 10 countries in the world badly affected by climate change, although the country contributes less than 1% of global climate emissions. During the recent floods, 1/3 of the country's land area was submerged in floods, severely affecting the economy, infrastructure and livelihoods and leaving almost 33 million people food insecure. Current climate changes in monsoons and increased temperatures are likely to bring considerable challenges to the agriculture sector. As per NDMA reports, the recent floods caused 1,725 deaths, the destruction of over 2 million houses, the death of more than 1 million cattle, the demolition of around 450 bridges and around 13,000 plus kilometers of roads and railway tracks. Agriculture is the most hit sector due to the recent floods, creating a serious challenge for food security. Nearly 70% of the Kharif crops in Sindh province have been destroyed by torrential rains and flash floods. World Bank has predicted about 2% GDP growth during the current financial year to be negatively impacted by this climate.